So in today's episode, we start in Chilli Beach. We leave Chilli Beach and go all the way back down Portland Road to the development road. We left the Frenchman's Track this time because the water in it was apparently, according to reports, just over head height, and our filters on our bike are a little bit below head height, and we didn't want to lift it across the river. So anyway, straight back to the boring road, but here's a summary of our journey. I should also mention that at the end of the day, we were aiming for Bramwell Station. Apparently it had a good review for food and entertainment, so that was a bit of a change after the wild camp of Chilli Beach. So we're just about to leave Chilli Beach. I think it's about 6 o'clock in the morning. We spent 2 days here, or 2 nights. This is our 3rd day, but we're gonna have to get going pretty early this morning because there's a fair bit of rain about to blow in, I think, and some of those creeks on the way in were pretty deep, and that was pretty dry then, so yeah, we don't want to get flooded in. And also we don't want to be packing away all wet gear and stuff like that, so a quick coffee and we'll get stuck into it. So now we've just turned off onto the final road to the tip. It looks very straight, and yeah, it's not quite as good condition as the development road, but it's actually quite good nonetheless. They've just graded this bit. Anyway, there's a croc to see.
I just saw a crocodile when we came in, so we're just gonna go back there to check it out. It's not there anymore. It's not there anymore. Has moved. It definitely moved. It's not there anymore.
So the rest of the day's riding was basically in a straight line, just like this. It was time just to tune out and listen to some music and watch the trees roll by. Anyway, enjoy the ever-changing scenery.
There you go, 6.5 Ks. You're gonna get to the Bramwell tourist park. They have live music here. I think it's every day, I'm not sure. Just waiting for Tamara, she just got here. And yeah, I'm looking forward to this one actually. You good? Alright.
So here we are at Bramwell station. We've got a big smorgasbord dinner tonight, camping, and there's a live band and all that sort of stuff as well, so pretty good. 45 bucks a head. That was pretty good, we reckon.